Okay, this short video is about how you can connect copper pipe to PEX pipe, and also how you can connect PEX pipe to PEX pipe with two different methods. So the first method is this SharkBite connector, and basically the way these work, there's an O-ring seal inside here and another O-ring inside here, and there's little fingers, little metal fingers inside that grip the pipe internally and hold it in place. I've used these for many years. I've never had a problem with them. They are code compliant. So that's a quick and easy way to make that connection. Another way to connect PEX pipe to PEX pipe now is with these Crimp Rings. So basically this is a T, and it has a barb. It's basically a barb fitting on each side, and then you crimp these Crimp Rings on. They also offer those in a ball valve, and over here they offer those in an elbow. And yet another adapter you can use is from the press fit to national pipe thread. So you can see that's an adapter that adapts from the SharkBite press fit connection to male NPT. And lastly, I wanted to show you that they also offer these supply hoses. This is on a water heater. So you can see here, one end of the supply hose is male national pipe thread. The other end has this SharkBite adapter on it that attaches to the copper pipe. I hope that helps you with your plumbing work. If you can like, share, and subscribe, please leave me a comment for further videos that you would like to see. Or if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them for you. Thanks again. Bye-bye.